Hello everyone. Today we'll understand how to create a repository and how to push a code into our repository. So first of all, if you don't have an GitHub account, you have to go to GitHub and you have to create an account in GitHub. After that, you can see this type of profile of yours, not this type of, but this basic profile you can get it. And after that, you can see an option here, create new. You should click on that, and after that, you can see an option named as new repository. So click on new repository. Okay. So now you have to give some name for this repository. So I'm going to start a web development course here. So what I'll do, I'll just name it as web development. Okay. After that, if you want to give some description, you can give. So I'll give a description like this is the repository where we are covering a full web development course. Yeah, so that's it. If you want to keep this repository public, you just keep it public. Otherwise, if you want this repository to seen by you only, then make it as a private. So I will keep this in a public so that everyone can see. So if you want to add README is nothing but where all the details of the project will be mentioned. So I don't want to add this README right now. I will do it afterwards. Then I'll just create repository. Okay, so my repository is created now. So what I'll do, I'll go to my Visual Studio. Okay, so this is a basic project I have made, but I'll open the project. Okay, okay, where I have created a file. I'll open HTML. Okay, where I have created a file named as index.html. Now I want to push this code to my repository. So what I'll do, check out the commands first. What our commands is first initialize our repository. So what I'll do, I'll just initialize my repository. Within it, you can see initialized empty git repository in YouTube education html.git. So after that, what we need to do, after that, we need to add all the files created into our repository. To add all files, we have a command like git add dot. If you add git dot, all the files are created in your folder. They will be getting pushed into your repository. So the next command we have is we need to commit whatever the changes we have done. We need to commit them. Okay. So I'll commit get commit minus m. You can make it as initial commit also. So whatever we are going to change in the repository, so we'll commit here. Okay. So I have committed, and then you can see here it is committed in our master branch. So mainly we do it in a main branch. So I'll convert this branch to main. Okay. So you can see I have converted. So now you can see which is my branch. So my branch is main now. Now you can see my branch is main. Then add your remote repository. So what I'm doing, I'm adding my remote repository. After that, I have added a remote repository. Then I'll push the code now. Control C. I will push the code. Now you can see here. My branch main set up to track your origin main. Now I'll come to my repository. I'll refresh my repository. Now you can see here my code is pushed to my repository. Now anyone can retrieve this code. Anyone can write this code. Anyone can edit this code. If I want to collaborate with multiple peoples, I'll go to settings. I'll go to collaborators and I'll add my password. Okay, after that, you can add people who are going to add some changes into your code. They can make changes. Okay, so this is the video regarding how to create a repository, how to push your code into the repository. Yeah, if you have any doubts or you are getting any errors, please comment down what errors you are getting. And thank you for watching this video.